Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Deja Michelle. Today we have Asteria hair. This is how the wig looked. Boom. All the products and links will be down in the description below. You guys already know. This is a HD lace 22-inch 13x4 wig. The cap size is a large, 180% density. I went ahead and bleached the knots, plucked the wig a bit. I was going for a baby hairless look, so that's why it doesn't look too plucked. Now, what you're going to want to use is your hot comb to comb all the hair back. The reason you use a hot comb is because you don't want any flyaways getting on your glue once you start applying it. Boom. I'm applying my wigs. I use 4 layers of the Boho active glue. I'm still looking for other things to use, but for now, this is all that I use. Make sure you're applying thin layers of the glue. I added way too much glue to begin with, so I got this rat tail comb and I scooped some of it off, as you can see. I was so annoyed with myself. But yeah, make sure it's thin layers of glue. Use your blow dryer on the cool setting. Dry it clear and then apply another layer. Make sure you always dry it clear before you apply another layer of glue. I was being impatient and I didn't let the glue dry a little bit on one part, so it is going to be kind of white, but I just put some makeup on it at the very end. This part is really self-explanatory. I always feel ridiculous when I put the blow dryer on. I'm just sitting in front of the camera. But I'll come back when I need to explain some more, so just enjoy the music.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.
After you're done applying all the layers of glue, you want to take your lace and pull it forward. When you pull it forward, you can either use your hands to press the lace into the glue, or you can get a comb to press it in. While you're doing that, you can get your blow dryer on the cool setting and help press it in. After you're done using the blow dryer and pressing it in, you get your elastic band and wrap your hair. This is the most important part of the wig process. I said this in my last video because it changed my life. Honestly, get the elastic band and stop playing with me. It's all up to you how long you want to leave the elastic band on, but honestly, the longer the better. If your hair start hurting, take it off. Your hair is going to be really melted with the elastic band, so make sure you get one. Y'all, as soon as I put this on, I squeezed it and I was like, whoa, this is going to hurt for a little bit. But it's all right. And what did I tell you? What did I tell you? You see that part? I messed up. I was impatient. I didn't let the glue dry all the way, but it don't matter. I'm going to put makeup on. But everything else, stop playing with me. That part did make me mad, but let's move on. Right here, I'm just cutting the lace, and after I cut the lace, I'm going to put the band right back on my head so it can continue to melt, and then I'm going to straighten the hair. And that's pretty much the video. So I'm going to see y'all in the end. Oh wait, I wanted to show y'all the length of the hair. I am 5'8" and the hair went all the way down to my butt. So yeah. It's gonna get real nice and flowy once I straighten it. Right here I'm showing y'all how it looks straightened versus unstraightened. As you can see, I finished straightening my whole head after that. And yeah, I did my makeup and call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions for me, comment down below and I'll answer them. But yeah, I'll see y'all next time.